thanks for coming back to see another video. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and you turn on post notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now let's go ahead and jump into this video because I am super excited about showing you guys this. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on some crochet braids. I did receive these from divatress.com. These braids are the Freetress equal braids. They are the 2 times, so you get twice as many braids in the pack. And these are the medium size box braids from Freetress. And these are really special because they are 30 inches long. This is the longest that I've seen personally. So I definitely wanted to give them a try. I also got this braided cap. I have done a video using the braided cap before in the past, but it was the circular braided cap. This one is the straight back cornrow braided cap. So I wanted to try this one for these box braid crochets. So when I went ahead and installed the box braids, I went ahead and placed all the box braids about an inch behind the hairline of the cap. I did this because I did not want the front of my head to be too bulky and too thick. So definitely make sure that you put your box braids, you know, about like an inch behind the cap. I love these box braids, you guys. These braids look so bomb. They look really natural. They have a weight and a style like real braids, like braids that were just braided in the hair salon. Like, I love the weight and the texture of these box braids. These by far, hands down, are my favorite crochet braids that I have ever tried so far. And I've tried a lot of braids. Another thing I really like about these box braids is the loop. The loop at the top for the crochet is the perfect size. It's the perfect width. And it is just perfect in every way, shape, and form. I love the way the loop lays down. Like, after you put the crochet braid in, the loop like lays down nice and flat so people can't clock your crochets as easily. Now, if I was to do this style again, I would not use the braided cap. If I were to do it again, I would use the mesh crochet cap because I think it would be even less inconspicuous. And you'll see once I install the wig on my head what I mean. I mean, it's still very wearable. You could wear it just like this, and I definitely wore it out just like this. But I will be taking the braids off of this braided wig cap and just using a regular crochet mesh cap. So as you can see, I did create a wig. So this wig, this is what the wig ended up coming out looking like. So I do have some old braids on, and I am going to go ahead and crochet a few of the braids that I had left over. I'm going to crochet a couple of those into the front of my head. So I'm going to go ahead and take this unit off. If you're curious about what wig this is, it is a review up on my channel. You can go ahead and check it out. And if you're interested in seeing how I got this gorgeous color, I do have a tutorial on getting this hair color as well. So make sure you check that out, and I will leave links up here and in the description box down below if you want to watch those.
Let's creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating.
Now, if you wanted to, you could absolutely stop here and have box braids in an instant. I mean, in a few seconds you could just have box braids. And you know, for like a video or for a photo shoot or something like that, I would honestly stop here. I wouldn't even bother crocheting any braids in. But to walk around in person in public, you know, people looking at you, if it's not just for the gram or whatever, because y'all know how we do. We do stuff just for the gram, okay? But if you want to be seen in public and you don't want people clocking, you know, like the front of your head, you can go ahead and crochet in a few box braids into your own hair. And for the purposes of this video, I definitely am going to do that. So I'm gonna just grab a couple of these. and just crochet right into my own hair.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
And of course you want to go ahead and grab your edge control and lay your baby hairs down. So today the edge control that I'm using is 36-hour Remy Edge Tamer. And this is the Extreme Firm Hold. This is what it looks like in the container. So since my braids are really old, I'm just going to do a lot of baby hairs. I only do this when my braids are like really old. So what I do is I like dig it out from the braid, push it up, and then go ahead and swoop it. And just be super extra with it. So again, I just kind of like pull it out and then push it back. You won't be able to get this look if you don't like push it out first. And then you go back. And then my hair is pretty long on the sides, so I just push it behind my ear. So there's my extra AF baby hairs. But I like to do these type of baby hairs with my braids. So there you go. Box braids in 3 minutes. So here are the end results of this box braid wig. These braids are super long, which is different and refreshing for crochet braids, because usually crochet braids are short and these are extremely long. I have to admit, these are my favorite crochet box braids thus far, and I've tried several of them, and these are my favorite, hands down, no questions asked. I love how clean they look. Like, they actually look like my box braids when I braid my hair, but I never braid my box braids this small because it would take forever. So I'm so happy to see that they, you know, did these types of braids. So if you want to check out these braids, I will leave a link to Freetress where you can check them out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Click that subscribe button. It really helps me out. Share this video if you know someone who wants box braids and doesn't know how to do them or can't afford to go to the salon to get them done. Share this video with someone who maybe is suffering from hair loss and would like to try some box braids. Share it with your friend. Share it all over the place. And thank you guys so much. Comment down below if you have questions. I will be sure to get back to you. This necklace and this top is from Fashion Nova. I did get it on sale. I'm going to do a huge Fashion Nova haul. I got so many items from them, all under $20. So I will be doing a haul so you guys can check out all the stuff that I got from Fashion Nova. And yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you stay tuned for the slow-mos.